Hello, in this video we will look at the Delta variant of COVID-19 which that is recently discovered by the India. So the spike protein are present in the coronavirus, so we will look at the overview of the coronavirus structure to understand the spike protein first. So the spike protein is important which contain a AC2 spike protein. This AC2 spike protein is specific for the invasion into the lung epithelial cell which contain AC receptor. So this AC receptor is also present in the animal, so that is why coronavirus is the zoonotic virus which that is also infect to the animal. So let's begin to understand without wasting any time to the research of the India which that is discovered the Delta variant of COVID-19. So here's the last month, June 2021, India government detected a new mutation in Delta COVID variant. So prompting it to classify it as a variant of concern. The new variant known as the Delta Plus. It is also known as the AY.1 or B.1.617.21 has an extra mutation in the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that causes COVID-19 disease. For example, the less breathing and damage the lung as well as fever. You can classify that symptom. So here is the person which contains that symptoms and it is infected by the coronavirus in the India. So total sample collected from the patient is the 45,000 people infected. So the 45,000 people infected which that is discovered the 48 delta out of 45,000 sample. So what is that and what is delta? So let's begin to understand about the Delta variant of COVID-19. So 48 delta out of 45,000 sample which that is collected. So let's begin to understand. The more infection Delta variant of the coronavirus has spread across the globe and is on track to become the world dominant strain according to the World Health Organization. So the World Health Organization which that is conduct a health issue. It is during second wave of India even the world. So 90% in Russia and also is discovered from the India by researcher. So it's very specific property of the Delta variant of COVID-19. It can replicate faster, spread more easily, bind more strong to the lung receptor. So it can replicate faster. It means the more than faster replication than a previous coronavirus. So the important thing is that the COVID Delta which that is bind with the AC receptor of the epithelial cell of the lungs. So here is the lung which contain epithelial cell and the receptor is the AC receptor. When bind this COVID Delta with the AC receptor to AC spike protein of the coronavirus and infect and move inside to reduce the surfactant and less breathing. So the Delhi researchers found the variant caused 3/4 of breakthrough infection in the city. So these infection is people who have been vaccinated. So those people who have been vaccinated, 8% Kappa variants and 76% had the Delta variants found, which that person are vaccinated and vaccinated person is discovered by this mechanism. So the vaccination will be not working. So how is the plus variant different? Why it's different as compared to the another um, another COVID-19. So let's begin to understand. The new mutation in the Delta variant was first detected in the Europe in March 2021. In June, COVID patients in India were all found to have the mutant virus. These developments have raised concern. The mutation in spike protein of the virus, however, is not known not know but not know known as K417N. It has previously reported in the beta variant first found in South Africa. So the previously found it in the South Africa, the beta variant with this mutation has shown an ability to escape the antibodies conferred by COVID-19 vaccination, at least to some extent. So there is the possibility COVID vaccine will not protect against the mutation so effectively due to the its beta variation will increase the delta variation. So important thing is that, and some scientists in India fear the mutation may fuel another wave of infection in the country. So important thing is there here is the coronavirus will infect to the animal and to become a new mutation. So that's new mutation can be a delta variant. So it means the variety of COVID-19 is arising due to the large family of the coronavirus, which that is the zoonotic virus. It causes the influenza-like disease as well as the fever and coughing as well as watery nose, etc. So the will vaccine work against Delta Plus? So let's begin to understand. According to India Health Organization Ministry, Delta Plus could have a similar ability to evade immunity and an ability to reduce the effect of monoclonal antibody. So it means the monoclonal antibody reduce the therapies used to treat COVID. So the mutation is worrying because it's located on a key portion of virus, the spike protein used to penetrate human cell. So the previous mutation have been on the receptor binding protein that allow the virus to attach to the receptor in our cell. The unique mutation is the delta variants, mean the virus can escape the immune system to some extent. So the delta has shown to reduce efficacy of vaccines somewhat. This means a single dose of vaccine may offer reduced protection, but however the second dose of vaccine can work. So the second dose can be work as compared to the first dose, but work to reduce severity but not complete uh, infection free. So that means vaccine is not working still, but the vaccine is going to effectively. So the mutation have been on the receptor binding protein that allow the virus to attach to the receptor in our cell. So um, but work to reduce severity. So let's begin to understand the UK research, which that give the research by the vaccination, applying to the vaccination by the patient, by the people to reduce their severity as well as the reduction of delta variant of COVID-19. So the first is the Pfizer, which that is 33% is inhibition of that disease due to the delta variant and after single shot, and the next is the second shot can create the 88% efficacy, while on the other hand the AstraZeneca is the another vaccine which that is used two dose. So the first dose is the 33% is the same as compared to the Pfizer, and 60% is the second shot. It is less than the Pfizer, but it is effective more. On the other hand, the Johnson and Johnson is the vaccine which that is more effectively work 85% giving the result for the cure. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and watch the biological videos and other things. other biotechnological videos. So I hope you make sense about the Delta variant of COVID-19, which that is discovered by the India.